share with everyone.
What? Thank you guys again for joining, and I'm so happy to join your group. So today I'm going to talk about the left side of the brain. As we all know, our brain consists of two sides, the left and the left and the right. So one side of the brain is dominant to another. So I'm going to talk about the left side, which I am also, left side. So the left side of the brain is actually good at logic. So people that are more left-sided, that their brain is left side is the dominant part, they tend to be more logical in ways they think. They are also very good with mathematics, with numbers, and very good also with science. And they are also very good with connecting things, analyzing things. Apart from that, they are very good also at being strategic. I think good chess players are also very good. I think they are also left-sided, and the left side of the brain is also very good with languages. So it is so important that we know about the side of the brain that is dominant to us, so that at least we put more focus on things that will become like as a second nature to us, instead of focusing on things that are maybe right-sided. For example, being creative, which is for the right side of the brain. Doesn't mean that you can't do it, but it just that means that it can take longer than if you take the other side of your that you're more gifted on. And then we have also the left side is very good with being accurate with information or whatever that needs accuracies. So it's also very important that we help our students to figure out which type of which side of the brain is dominant to them, so that they can focus on things that will come easier to them based on the side of the brain that is dominant to them. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.